Greetings, my name is Andres Irizarry. I am an online distance learning student in UCLA's online Masters of Engineering program, and this is my class project, which is the design of ultrasonic test equipment. This is the preliminary review or the conceptual design of the project. This project is separated into three parts to facilitate distribution on YouTube. First is part one, which covers the project scope, requirements, limitations, and it also talks about some of the components in ultrasound. In part two, I cover the concept of display systems and cover the display systems that may be available in the test equipment. And lastly, in part three, I cover concepts involving sensor positioning and coupling distribution and give my final recommendations. Again, this project is for my UCLA Online Masters Engineering project, and it is to develop a programmable ultrasonic test equipment. This should be simple enough to be manufactured by a hobbyist, so there should be no special equipment that should be needed to manufacture outside of general machine shop tools. And this is also intended to be a possible alternative to manual ultrasonic test equipment that is available in the structural mechanics lab. First, the minimum requirements of this project are to match at least the capabilities of a manual testing system, which is available in one of the structural mechanics labs at UCLA. The structural mechanics lab at UCLA has a spacing grid, as seen here in light orange, where transducers are placed inside. One is used to send an ultrasonic signal, and another is used to receive an ultrasonic signal in a pitch-catch manner. And this grid is placed over a test piece, and the approximate maximum dimension of a test piece should be around 2.5 feet to 2 by 2.5 feet. Some of the limitations of this project are that firstly, it's the time constraint. The project should be done in 10 weeks, which will not allow for the project to be constructed during this phase of the design. Also, testing will not be performed since the test equipment cannot be manufactured. Also, software will not be developed for this phase, and because of this, joysticks may be put into the electronic system so it gives some type of manual control temporarily. Also, a wiring schematic for the final design will be available in the form of a flowchart. Some of the components that are typically available in ultrasonic systems, which should be available in the system. First, there is an electronic signal generator. There's also a probe or search unit. Here's one example of one, also known as a transducer. A couplant, which is typically a liquid solution which is used to transfer an ultrasonic signal from the probe or search unit into the test piece. Also, there is an amplifier which modifies received signals and a recording device such as an oscilloscope.